Okay, my people, you all are welcome. Look at this picture on your screen. This picture you are seeing here is from a group that claims to come from Igbanke. They claim to be an Igbanke group. The name of that group is Igbanke General Union. We know that this group is not for Igbanke people. As you can see, if you read everything that they just wrote in this letter, you will find out that these people are Benin sponsored. They are Benin sponsored group to destroy what Igbanke people are fighting for. Let's read what those people wrote in that their letter. I read, in the past 1 week, we have been inundated with media reports ascribed to the faceless group that purportedly led a demonstration with a message that Igbanke is not Benin but of Igbo origin. As the highest constituted elected body of all Igbanke people across the globe under the auspices of Igbanke General Union worldwide, we therefore wish to state as follows. Just look at what they wrote in the number 1 of that letter. They said that the general public should disregard the said protests circulating across social media space. Your kings said that they are not Benin people in a protest and in a press conference, and all you have to say is that social media should disregard what your kings said. It's only an Ozwai that will come online and tell you that a protest made by their kings and their people, that such protest should be disregarded by the public. The number 2 of the letter states that the unknown faceless group was not authorized to speak on behalf of Igbanke people. When the kings in Igbanke land were suspended by the Oba of Benin, where is this group that is saying all this rubbish? Where were they? Have they ever made a statement telling the world that the Oba of Benin has no right to suspend the kings of Igbanke people? Igbanke king said that they are not Benin people, that they are Ika Igbos, and this organization that claims to come from Igbanke are busy telling the world to disregard something that is being approved by their kings. These people don't have sense, and these people are not speaking up for Igbanke people. These people are Benin sponsored organizations. They have never condemned the suspension of their kings by the Oba of Benin, and they are here saying rubbish. The number 3 in the letter states that Igbanke is an autonomous community in Edo State that speaks Igbanke dialect, a variant of Ika language. This thing that they are saying, they don't want to add Igbo to it. They are just saying Ika. The Ika that they are saying is to make Igbanke people not to get that force, not to get that energy to speak up. The Ika region of Igbo land are very weak. Yes, Ika people, they are very weak people because none of them is speaking up except very few of them. If this Igbanke issue is being left in the hands of Ika people alone, then Igbanke will be lost to Benin people forever. How many organizations in Ika land have you seen speaking up for Igbanke people? How many kings in Ika land today, in Anyoma land, how many of them are speaking up for Igbanke people? If not for we the Igbo unification movement and some other good Ika people that are speaking up for Igbanke people, this matter would have been dead by now. It's because we are pushing the matter, spreading the message, making the world to know that we stand by Igbanke people. That's why the matter is like this. If Igbanke people did not do that protest and press conference, by now, Benin would have swallowed them. And because of that protest, the Oba of Benin have become powerless. Like, he cannot suspend their kings. He can no longer take over Igbanke land because those people have stood up against him, telling him that they are not his subjects. The number 4 states that the leadership of Igbanke General Union worldwide has not officially released a statement and also has not mandated any group or persons to do so on behalf of the union. So if Igbanke people did not do that press conference and protest, by now these people would have not said anything concerning the suspension of their kings. If not for that protest, who know these people? Therefore don't talk by now. Therefore never talk. Since your kings were suspended, you did not say anything. You said nothing, you were quiet. And now, other people did what you cannot do. You are busy online backing. Igbanke people should be waiting for you before they do the protest. Igbanke people should be waiting for you before they liberate themselves. Benin-sponsored organizations, you people will all fail. See, all of you that have been sponsored by Benin to undermine the effort of Akokowa socio-cultural organization in Igbanke, all of you will fail. Your king say they not be Benin. Then they protest, they do press conference. You get that mind, they come online. They say make the world disregard that thing. That's why. Igbanke people have already said that they are Ika Igbos and not Benin people. And what they said is what we stand with. The opinion of this organization parading themselves online saying all this rubbish does not matter. Igbanke kings don't know these people. You get mouth, they talk, say waiting your kings, then talk, no, make the word disregard them. Look at the notice on your screen. This notice is coming from Akiko Owa Socio-Cultural Group of Igbanke. And in that notice, they said that whatsoever group of people or persons from Igbanke that will come up with any propaganda that Igbanke are Ika without adding Igbo are those hired by Benin. Igbanke has been known in the time past as Ika Igbo. Igbanke is Ika Igbo. Igbanke not be Benin. Akiko was socio-cultural group of Igbanke. They are the group that did that protest and press conference. They are being supported by their kings in that protest. They said that we all should disregard this letter that is being sponsored by Benin people. Akiko was socio-cultural group stood by their word that they are Ika Igbo and not Benin. All these people that are saying Igbanke is just Ika and not Igbo are Benin people. They know that Ika people are not speaking up. That the people that are speaking up for these Igbanke people are mostly from the southeast and some other parts of Anyoma with few Ika people. They know that if Igbanke people only identify as Ika, that they will win and take over Igbanke. But because Igbanke people are identified as the Igbo that they are, it's weakening them. We will continue to weaken them. Igbanke people are Igbos, and that is final. No propaganda coming from Benin can stop it. Ishewale.